Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today we have for you a Bachmann class 419 MLV. It's catalogue number 31295K, and the motor luggage van was an exclusive to Bachmann Collectors Club, so we'll pop her out and we'll have a look at her on the track. It does come with a small accessory pack as well, and directional lighting, which hopefully we'll see in a little while. And it's a nice addition to my recent Royal Mail livery collection. I had started collecting just RAS livery, but I think it was a trip to York last year and I really liked the look of the Bachmann Royal Mail coaches, so that started more a collection of the Royal Mail livery. So I've had to add a motor luggage van to that as well. So again, we'll have a closer look. And here we go. We should be able to see the directional lighting. And in reverse as well. And we'll have a closer look. Again, nice amount of detail. Albeit you can't really see much detail inside because of the style of it, but it has got a coach detail in there somewhere, but plenty of pipes and bits. And lots of other detail. So again, it's something nice to have motorised to pull me Royal Mail coaching stock. Well, I hope you've liked a quick look at that, and if you're thinking of the model, I hope it helps you with your purchase, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.